Join us as we build a large Storveyor for a cereal factory. This impressive system can store up to 3.5 tonnes of product, which is equivalent to 68 minutes of production. Careful design consideration went into the arrangement of these two vibratory conveyors at the store discharge in order to ensure a nice, consistent flow onto the belt. On the left, a series of sensors ensure that the product is directed gently and hygienically into the store. We designed these hoods to meet customer requirements, allowing easy access for product inspection, cleaning and maintenance while meeting food hygiene needs. KMG equipment is designed for ultra-low power usage, easy to clean and maintain. Powerful enough to move several tonnes per hour. They are reliably, robustly designed and manufactured for a long lifetime.